Hello, good morning dear students. This is the third part of detailing the chapter The Midnight Visitor. Already 2 parts have been over. In this video I am going to detail page number 16 and we are starting from It's Not My Balcony. Let's see next page. It's not my balcony here. Osable said with extreme irritation. Now, Osable continued that it was not his balcony through which people had tried coming in but was of the next apartment. Apartment meaning chamber. You can also say room. Okay. Apartment meaning chamber or room. He glanced. Glanced meaning viewed. See the word given here. Glanced meaning viewed. V-I-E-W-E-D. Viewed. So, Osable looked explanatorily. Explanatorily meaning containing reasons for something. So, Osable viewed at Fowler containing reasons for something. He wanted to give reason behind that apartment for the window that was connected to his room. He then started explaining things to Fowler that his room used to be a part of a large unit and the room next to his room used to be a living room. Then Osable said that it had the balcony that came till the window of his room. Then he said that to climb up his room, one needed to go to the empty room, which was 2 rooms away from his room, and climb up the balcony. Then he said that somebody did climb up the balcony last month as well. See children, why Osable created, he framed a story, a false story. There was no balcony attached to his window. He was just creating such a situation to trap Max. Max had a pistol in his hand, but Osable was without any weapon. So Osable wanted to outwit Max. For that reason, he used his clever brain, he used his wit and tried to befool him, tried to cheat him. For that reason, he created the story of a balcony. Okay, children? He also told Fowler that, you can see the last line, the management had told him that they would surely get it blocked, but they still had not done so. They had not blocked the window. Okay. Max glanced. See the word given, glanced means take a brief or hurried look. You can also say to take a brief or hurried look. That is glanced here. Okay. So Max looked at Fowler, who was standing near Osable. Stiffly meaning a straight. The meaning of stiffly here meaning a straight. Is it clear, children? Not far from Osable. So Fowler, who was standing near Osable, Max asked Fowler to sit down, as there was still half an hour for the report to reach Osable. Here given gesture. What do you mean by gesture? Gesture meaning bodily movement. Movement of the body. So Max threatened him to sit down because there was still delay for the report to reach Ausable. Ausable joked that it was not 30 minutes. It was not 30 minutes but 31 minutes that were left for the report to reach them. The report was supposed, actually Ausable made a joke to Max. So the report was supposed to come in around 12:30. You can see the time given, at night. Ausable said that he wished he had known how Max has come to know about the report coming in. So Ausable wanted to know how Max came to know that there was going to get a report to him. Ausable wanted to know from Max. So Max smiled wickedly. You can see he smiled wickedly. The line given here, EVILLY, evilly meaning wickedly. VICKEDLY. Now next given, and said that he also wished to know how Ausable and his team, you can see here, he also wished to know how Ausable and his team had got the report. He added that nothing had happened to the report. Nothing had happened to the report because he would take it from Ausable straight to his team. Okay. Then suddenly a knock is heard. You can see the next paragraph. Suddenly a knock is heard on the door and Max panics. Max gets scared. Fowler is also scared by the knock on the door. And Ausable replied to Max's question about who was on the door that it must be the police, because he had asked the police, he had asked them to check on him after some time, as he thought that the report he was about to receive was important. See, and definitely required extra attention. See, actually Ausable is creating a situation. He tells Max that he had already reported the police that he was going to get a report, so there may be danger of his life or somebody would come to take that report. So it was risky. So for extra protection, Ausable had called the police for extra protection, and that's why definitely required extra attention and protection too. He had asked the police to check on him after every some time to ensure that everything was all right. So up to these children we have finished. Now next will be page number 17, last page. Till then, thank you children. Bye.